Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to unbox my iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is 512 gigs. I received it yesterday and I thought let's make a short video of unboxing. I'm not gonna go into too much of technical details or anything. I'm not gonna bore you guys. You guys know it all. All I'm gonna do is just open this box and I'm going to take out my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's get started. There you go. Let's take this out. Nice. All right. Here's the box. Box seems a little slimmer as compared to what I had in the past. So right now I am recording with iPhone 11 Pro. And all right. Okay. There you go. Wow, these camera lenses are quite bigger. Let's see what we have in the box. Paperwork. Apple sticker. And it comes with its charging cable. No charging adapter, as usual. Apple has stopped giving iPhone charging adapter. Let's take this away. And I think it used to come with a plastic screen protector. I don't see that anymore. I don't see any slot for SIM card. So you have volume up and low keys on the left. You have iPhone silent button here. Okay. Power button, and I think it has an infrared thing right here to transfer data from your older phone. So let's go and take this thing off. All right. Here I have iPhone 8 Max, and let's see how it looks in screen comparison. So let me just go ahead and turn it off and turn this thing on. No, I did not mean to turn it off. I mean to turn it on. All right. All right. There you go. Anyway, I'll take this off away. These cameras lenses are huge. They are really huge. Wow.